Hello everyone. Today we are taking you all with us to visit one day very exciting tour of Niagara Falls. Niagara Falls is a city on the Niagara River in New York State. It's known for the vast Niagara Falls which straddle the Canadian border. So since we live in United States, we are going to enjoy the beauty of Niagara Falls from the United States side. We purchased the Made of the Mist boat tour tickets. One ticket costs $25.25. So this is the queue that we are waiting in right now to get to our turn. We have boarded the boat. Do you see that bridge? That bridge is called the Rainbow Bridge, which is located between the cities of Niagara Falls on Canada side and Niagara Falls on USA side. Now here on the left we have the American Falls and the Bridewell Falls. The one that is spanning in width, the bigger one. I mean in width, the bigger one. That is the American Falls, and there is a very small trail kind of fall that you see on the right side, just beside that broader fall. That is the Bridal Veil Falls. It just looks like the veil of the bride. That's why it's called the Bridal Veil Falls. This is the Horseshoe Falls, the biggest one, and this is on the Canada side. So this is really amazing. So beautiful. The showers are getting really aggressive. It's so exciting. You will find boat tours from both the sides. One is from the US side and from the Canada side as well. So the Maid of the Mist operates exclusively in Niagara Falls, New York side, and the Niagara City Cruises operates from the Ontario, Canada side of the falls. So you will see both side of boats. So isn't it amazing? Like in the same waterfalls, you are experiencing both the countries. People are just passing by, exchanging waves, highs, buys. It's like really amazing.
गाइस हम लोग लेंस पे पानी का कुछ नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज बहुत गंदे से हम लोग भीग रहे हैं। बैक ऑफ द बोट में थे, फ्रंट में जगह नहीं थी, तो अब आप नायग्रा फॉल्स को उसकी फुल ब्यूटी में देख सकते हैं। हम दोनों ने एक्सपेरिमेंट किए। एक इंसान ने पोंचो पहना, एक इंसान ने नहीं पहना, और हम बता सकते हैं आपको कि बिना पोंचो के मज़ा बहुत ज़्यादा आता है, पर आप पूरी तरह से भीग जाएंगे। हम लोग वापस आ रहे हैं लगता है। Oh, it's turning, it's rotating 360 ये जो दिख रहे हैं ये अमेरिका फॉल्स है। आप देख सकते हैं कितने सुंदर है अमेरिका फॉल्स। एंड अगेन आपके नायग्रा फॉल्स आ गए। बोट अभी यहाँ पे बीच में 360 डिग्रीज का टर्न करती है।
As you approach towards the Rainbow Bridge, on the right hand side we have United States, on the left hand side we have Canada.
और ये अमेरिका फॉल्स गाइस, वो नायग्रा यानी हॉर्सशू फॉल्स ऑन द कनाडा साइड, एंड दिस इज अमेरिका फॉल्स ऑन द अमेरिका के साइड। यहाँ पे आने के लिए आपको नायग्रा फॉल्स सिटी यूएस में आना पड़ेगा, विच इज़ इन न्यूयॉर्क स्टेट, और नियरेस्ट एयरपोर्ट जो है वो बफेलो न्यूयॉर्क का है।
You can see that everyone is wearing this pink color poncho. So before you board the boat, everyone is provided with that, since there are going to be heavy showers, since the boat takes you to the closest point as possible from the falls. So everyone is given the poncho. Do not worry, you don't have to purchase it. The cost is already included in your ticket.
देखिए यहाँ पे we are at the बॉर्डर ऑफ यूएस एंड कनाडा। लेफ्ट में हमारे अमेरिका है, राइट में कनाडा। चलिए क्रोज नेस्ट की ओर। हमको एक अनोखा चीज़ पता लगी है रास्ते में कि देयर इज़ अ व्यूइंग पॉइंट नीचे, जहाँ हम मेड ऑफ द मिस्ट से एग्ज़िट करते से ही ये सीढ़ियाँ हैं राइट में, नेक्स्ट टू द एग्ज़िट टू द एलिवेटर, जहाँ पे आप जाएंगे तो ये बेसिकली इट इज़ कॉल्ड क्रोज नेस्ट। अभी जाके देख के आएंगे कि क्या है ऊपर, हम लोगों को भी नहीं पता। ये है क्रोज नेस्ट का नज़ारा। में भीग चुके हैं पूरा।
Now this is the observation tower. The tower is constructed of aluminium, glass and steel, and it stands at 282 feet with the base at the bottom of the gorge. Visitors enter the tower at the ground level from Niagara Falls State Park. The Maid of the Mist loads at the base of this tower. So Niagara Falls USA Observation Tower is the only one that provides the panoramic view of all the three Niagara Falls, including the American Falls, which means it gives the panoramic view of the Horseshoe Falls and the Bridal Veil Falls and also the American Falls. Also, it is said that bird watching is a very popular pastime at Niagara Falls Observation Tower. So if you are a bird enthusiast, then this could be your opportunity to spot some bald eagles, falcons and many other Gulf species present in the Niagara Gorge. So maybe you're lucky to spot one. Now next we are visiting the Cave of the Winds. So to come here, an elevator takes us from the area between the American and Canadian Falls down to the level of Niagara Falls, Niagara River at the base of the American Falls actually. So there is the series of redwood decks and platform which takes us to the base of the Bridal Veil Falls, and the water just crashes down right on us and it flows beneath the decking. And an interesting fact, the decking is removed each fall due to the potential damage caused by ice buildup at the falls, and it is reinstalled each spring by park officials for sightseers to enjoy the experience. There is another thing that we would like to point out from our experience, since this was first time for us visiting the Niagara Falls, so we were not aware what to carry, what not to carry. So I just want to let you guys know that if you visit Cave of the Winds first, they give you those slippers, those sandals, I would say. The sandals, they are like, anti-skid or something that can give that friction so that you do not slip. The Cave of the Winds, the redwood deck are really very slippery, so they give you those, and you can just remove your shoes in the car itself, or you can just leave them outside. Or also before entering the Cave of the Winds, there are some lockers provided. You can just keep your shoes there and just keep them dry all the time, and you can just carry those sandals with you to all the Maid of the Mist and then Crow's Nest. You can just keep your shoes dry. Basically, I want to say that since we did not know, we went to the Maid of the Mist first and then the Crow's Nest, and we came last to the Cave of the Winds. So by the time we came to the Cave of the Winds and we got those sleepers, our shoes were all drenched, so there was no point again removing them. So we just saved those slippers for later. So once we finished our Niagara Falls tour for the entire day, we changed into slippers and we kept our shoes for drying. Niagara Falls is a group of three waterfalls at the southern end of Niagara Gorge, spanning the border between province of Ontario in Canada and the state of New York in the United States. The largest of the three is Horseshoe Falls, which straddles the international border of the two countries. It is also known as the Canadian Falls. The smaller American Falls and Bridal Veil Falls lie within the United States. The Bridal Veil Falls is separated from Horseshoe Falls by Goat Island and from American Falls by Luna Island. And as it gets darker in the evening, you would see that Canada side just starts to flash the lights on the fall. So you can see that, like, white light on the Horseshoe Fall, and also changing lights, blue, green, red. They're just like, falling all over the American Falls and the Bridal Veil Falls. So it just, looks very beautiful. I'm sure it looks very beautiful from the other side, from the Canada side, since, like, all the falls are facing that side. Right now I do not have the visa for Canada, so next time when I visit Niagara Falls, I wish I visit Niagara Falls one day from the United States side, and the next day I just get to see the Niagara Falls from the Canada side. So yeah, next time maybe if I get a chance, I would like to visit all that lighting show from the Canada side. So that is how we ended our one day Niagara Falls trip. Let us know of your experiences if you have already been there, and let us know which part you like the most and how you enjoyed this experience with us. See you all in the next video. Until then, bye bye.